Hello and welcome to Crypto Times TV. Do you follow the latest news from the United States? One of the most debated topics since 2016 has been the current president Donald Trump and a multitude of controversial rumors about all kinds of crimes and wrongdoings allegedly committed by him. Some say these controversies are artificially created by certain interested parties that fund all the recent rallies against Donald Trump, as well as the media recycling the impeachment theme daily. Whether those theories are true, nobody can say for sure, but if it is indeed the case, those malevolent forces undermining the credibility of the current administration must have hoards of money in their bank accounts. And today we are going to be talking about one wealthy person who has been confirmed to be an enemy to the Republican Party and all the values that it stands for. The name is George Soros. Soros is a Hungarian-American investor, business magnate, and political activist of Jewish descent. He was born in Budapest in 1930 and lived through the period of control of Hungary by the Third Reich. His father managed to obtain fake identity papers so his family wasn't murdered. After the war, in 1947, he left Budapest for London, where he worked part-time as a railway porter and as a nightclub waiter to support his studies at the London School of Economics. There, he studied with the philosopher Karl Popper, the originator of the term open society. Popper influenced Soros's thinking and ultimately his investment in philanthropic activities. After graduation, he took a job with an investment bank in London for a while, before moving to the United States in 1956. In America, he worked as an arbitrage trader with F.M. Mayer from 1956 to 1959, as well as an analyst with Wertheim & Company from 1959 to 1963. From 1963 to 1973, he worked at the Arnhold & S. Bleichroder investment firm, where he attained the position of vice president. However, he soon realized that he was a better investor than he was a philosopher or an executive, so he persuaded his superiors to establish an offshore investment fund for him to run, and then another one in 1969 that was called the Double Eagle Hedge Fund. And everything went well until investment regulations restricted his ability to run the funds as he wished, so he quit his position. In 1973, in partnership with Jim Rogers, Soros launched the Quantum Fund, which was registered outside the United States to give it maximum trading flexibility, and subsequently spawned a range of associated companies. Through this enterprise, Soros took major global positions for or against currencies, derivatives, commodities, emerging markets, stocks and bonds, private markets, and almost anything he thought would be financially advantageous to him. With the Quantum Group, Soros even earned himself the nickname the man who broke the Bank of England in 1992 when he had bet in a short sale on the ultimately fulfilled prediction that the British currency would drop in value, a coup that netted him a profit of $1 billion. As you can see, unlike Warren Buffett, Soros's management style was that of a short-term speculator who made huge gambles on the directions of financial markets. But they weren't always successful. For instance, in 1994, he speculated that the dollar would rise in value against the Japanese yen. Instead, the dollar fell all year, and the Quantum Fund reportedly lost hundreds of millions on a single day in February. In 2000, at the age of 70, and after a career of speculating on currency with billions of dollars of other people's money, Soros retired from active investing within his company, Soros Fund Management, a private investment management firm. He had then become one of the most successful investors in the history of the United States. As of February 2018, he had a net worth of $8 billion. In closing, we would like to give you a few interesting facts about George Soros. Fact number 1. Soros' original name was Schwartz. When he was 6, his parents changed their family name to Soros in fear of the anti-Semitism rife in pre-World War II Hungary. Fact number 2. In December 2002, Soros was fined $2.9 million by a French court for insider trading for a financial services company. Fact number 3. In 1984, Soros used some of his profits to create the Open Society Foundations. In 2017, it was reported that Soros had given some $18 billion to various left-wing organizations in recent years. Fact number 4. In the early 2000s, he became a vocal backer of same-sex marriage efforts. Fact number 5. Soros once said that removing President George Walker Bush from office in 2004 was the central focus of his life. He gave some $23 million to various 527 groups dedicated to defeating Bush. Fact number 6. On September 20th, 2 years ago, he said he was going to invest $500 million into companies and startups founded by migrants and refugees. So what do you think of the prominent public figure and undoubtedly talented financier George Soros? Do you believe in any conspiracy theories surrounding his character? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and join us now to stay updated on all of our upcoming videos. We roll them out daily, Monday through Friday, so stay tuned.